Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. If you're new, please just pause this video. Yes, go subscribe and turn on the post notification button. Also, everyone on here should please like this video and leave a comment, share it to all your friends and loved ones. Thanks for doing that. About 6 months ago, I did a review on the Palmersskinsuccess body lotion and the video is thriving. Thank you so much. We have almost 10,000 views and over 70 comments. So thank you. I really appreciate you all. Today, I just thought I'd give back to you guys by addressing most of the questions you asked in depth, just so if you're new to the product, you have one or two information about it, or if you are yet to go use it and you're quite skeptical if you should still buy it, you get information about it to guide or give you an informed decision as to whether to go buy the product or not to buy the product. Do make sure to follow me on Instagram at Elysia and shop for your quality hair and eyelashes, just like the hair I'm wearing, from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Let's get started. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm reading out your questions from this paper, and I'll answer it as in-depth as I can to help you with this lotion. So the first question is, does it bleach? And the answer is emphatically no. Now, Palmer's is careful about its ingredients, that it's not harsh ingredients. I'll leave a link so you go watch my first review. I wouldn't get much into the ingredients side of things, but yeah, the ingredients are not harsh. The purpose is to make your skin brighten and glow. So it's not a bleaching lotion, it is a skin lightening lotion, which means it rejuvenates your skin, it takes away the dead skin cells and reveals a fresher or younger looking skin. So that is the focus, and because of that, it's not a bleaching cream at all. Now the second question says, can it be used on the face? And the answer is this. Now, the detailing on the product doesn't emphasize it should just be used on the body. Normally with most skincare products, if it doesn't have to be used on the face, the manufacturer will emphasize this, but in this case that is not it. Palmer's didn't say you shouldn't use it on your face at all. So yes, do make sure you use it for both your face and your body. I currently use 24K Macari 24K Rose Gold, and when I used to use the Palmersskinsuccess lotion, I was using it for both my face and my body. So yes, do use it for both your face and your body. Moving on to the next question, it says, do you get darker when you stop using the product? And the answer is yes, and this is why it is. Obviously, the purpose of you getting the lotion was to brighten your skin, clear all those dark spots, hyperpigmentation, all that. And the next thing you want to focus on is to maintain the results. And to maintain the results means you have to keep using the product. Yes, you have to keep using the product. So if you're going to stop using the product, then you're sure your skin most likely will return back to its former darker state, dull looking skin, and you don't want that at all. So make sure to continue using the product, make it as part and parcel of your skincare routine, and your skin will thank you for it. The next question here says that, does it increase stretch marks? Personally, it's a no for me. But however, when I checked other YouTubers' comments, I saw that some viewers did show concerns that it did increase their stretch marks. So this is my take on it. Obviously, you were darker, so most likely the stretch marks look darker. So once you use the cream and the lotion rather, and your skin is glowing, it's looking more vibrant, it's looking amazing, it will obviously unveil the stretch marks the more. So if your skin was dull, then the tendency of your stretch marks you had being dull is also going to be equivalent to that. So if now your skin is glowing and it's looking more amazing, then most likely the stretch marks will also show them more. So I strongly believe that it doesn't give stretch marks. Obviously, if your skin is looking more amazing, then your stretch marks most likely will also unveil itself the more. Moving on to the next question, someone is asking here, how many shades lighter does the lotion make you? And we'll tie that back onto our first question, which asks if it bleaches. Obviously it doesn't bleach, and yes, it will make your skin lighter, it will make it glow, it will rejuvenate it. But if you're going to experience any sort of lightness, it's going to be one shade and that's it, nothing more. It's not going to make your skin go drastic from a 0 to 100, not at all. It's just maximum one shade lighter and that is it. Right, so someone also asked here, does the product smell? It's an absolute no for me. I love the smell of Palmersskinsuccess, absolutely love it. But someone also did say in my comment section it comes across a bit strong for them. So again, it's just different for everyone. What I may perceive as amazing might be like, it's normal. So yeah, I personally know that it's an amazing smell. I love the smell, but again, it's an individual sense of smell. Right, so someone is also asking here, what soap can be used with this product? I know Palmer's make their own soap, but I've never used it before. Comment down below if you've used it before. Let me know how it went with your skin. But yeah, I'd recommend using these soaps. I've used them and they're amazing. I'll leave links so that you can check full review of those soaps. But yeah, it's like a soap. You can use it with Koji's soap and my all-time amazing favorite Macari 24K soap. So these are the three soaps I recommend you use it with this lotion. Moving on to our next question, this person is asking if it can be mixed with other licensed serums or a basic serum. Now my response to this is no, don't do that, and this is because the lotion might have an ingredient which if you mix it with other ingredients, it will render that ingredient ineffective. So instead of mixing it, this is what I do. So like I stated, I use Macari, and Macari encourages that right after showering, your skin obviously is dry, so you go over your skin with the glycerin first to lock moisture into the skin. Once it settles down for about 5 to 10 minutes, then I go over with the Macari lotion itself. So I would encourage you to do it like that. Use that serum, whether it's vitamin E, put it on your skin first, and then you go over with the Palmersskinsuccess, and I promise you this will work brilliantly for your skin.
Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads.
Next question I have got here, the person is asking, when do you use the product and how many times do you use the product? Now with how many times, I'd encourage you to use it twice a day and every day, and as to when, it depends on yourself, but personally I would encourage you to do it first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. First thing in the morning because you're about to start your day, you're going to face the harsh weather and the dirt and all that, so you want to make sure your skin is protected, you have all the nourishment for your skin to tackle all those obstacles. And obviously when you're back, you want to shower down, and in the evening your skin is relaxed, so once you have the product on, it can work effectively throughout the night when your skin is not attacked by all this harsh weather and the dirt and everything in the atmosphere. So yeah, that is my response to that question. Right, so let's move on to the next question, which says the person is asking, which one works better? Is it the Fade cream or the Fade milk? Right, so in my previous review I did state that I've used the cream before, and I'll say by far the milk or the Fade lotion works way better than the cream. So yeah, please go for the lotion and not the cream. To be honest, when I used the cream, it didn't change my skin whatsoever. I didn't notice any changes whatsoever. But again, let me emphasize that our skin are different and products are not universal. So a product that may suit me won't suit you, and what may suit you won't suit me. So Yeah, maybe the Palmer's cream worked for someone, I don't know, but personally it didn't work for me, and reviews out there does justify that the lotion works way better than the cream. So please go for the lotion. If you don't want to waste your money, go for the lotion first, give it a try, and most likely that will work over the fade cream. Fantastic. So we will now move on to the next question, and this person says, how long should I use the product? I feel like I cannot use it all my life. Right, that is an amazing question. Very intelligent question. Now what I'll say is, if you use a cream and you achieve the results you want, and you feel like, especially because of the hydroquinone content, you don't want to be using it every day, to make sure you're maintaining your skin tone, just use it 3 times in a week. So 3 times in a week will mean 3 days out of the week. However, within those 3 days, you are using it twice in the day. So that way, you know it's not just too harsh on your skin. Because one thing about skincare is, especially when you're using lightening products, you want to make sure you have a period that your skin has a breather, and it's a really smart way to go about it. So once you achieve your results, maybe the next like 2 weeks, you tell yourself, in the next 2 weeks I'm just going to use it 3 times a week, and that's it, just so my skin can have a bit of a breather before I hold back onto using it every day.
Palmer's is aware hydroquinone may cause side effects on the skin, so because of that, they put just a little percentage of this ingredient in the lotion. Now, they had to still use this ingredient because it comes with benefits like lightening dark spots, evening out the skin tone, and finally, the great thing is that it helps to treat melasma.
Next question here says, does it irritate or cause itchiness? Darling, it's an absolute no. I didn't have any itchiness or irritation, and for most people it's not the case. However, our skin are different. Perhaps you have an underlying skin condition that kind of triggers the itchiness. So if you experience that and it's an unbearable sort of itchiness, then please discontinue use of the product. Need me emphasize that products are not universal. It's not meant to suit everyone. So what would not suit you might suit me. So if you experience severe itchiness, please discontinue use altogether. This person here says, does it help with dark under eye? Yes, it does, but it's just slightly. It's not a tremendous change. So you want to make sure whilst you're using the lotion, you're also doing other under eye treatments or DIYs. And one of my favorites is the turmeric facial under eye treatment. I have done this and I'm yet to upload a video on that. So yeah, watch out for the link. I'll put the link here once that is ready, and then you can be doing that alongside using this lotion, and I'm positive you will get results. Or any other under eye treatment that is out there which really works, or it could even be some sort of a lotion or a cream or a gel. Do use it alongside the lotion and it will work effectively for you. Right, so the next question here says, can it be used to fade dark knuckles, knees, armpits, etc.? So basically dark areas. Again, it's a yes, but it's not going to be the drastic result you want. So make sure to be doing this alongside other treatments that solely target dark areas. I've got links up here to help you. I've done dark knuckle treatments and knees and all that in the past, so I'll leave the link and it will hopefully help someone on here. We are moving on to our very final question, and the person says, I am pregnant, can I use the product? This is a lotion and it's for external use, so I don't see the reason why you can't use it if you're pregnant. So my answer is yes, you can use the lotion. However, if you have any sort of underlying skin condition that could probably trigger something within you to affect your pregnancy, you are best double checking with your doctor or any skincare specialist to be more assertive if you should still go ahead and use this lotion or not. But personally, I don't see the reason why you shouldn't be able to use the lotion if you are pregnant. Finally, I would recommend that when you're using this lotion, make sure to use it with a sunscreen, especially if it's not winter. Any other season where you know the sun would occasionally be on, or especially within summer, make sure you are using it with a sunscreen so your skin is not, you know, constantly reverting back to its old dark state and you're now getting it back up again. So use it with a sunscreen and your skin will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in my next upload.